Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Developer Unknown Error. If you're using Apple Developer in your iPhone or in your iPad and you're facing unknown error, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. So you can also try to open your browser to check if your internet is working well or not. Or you can also try to go ahead to your app store and try to install, and you have to check if your internet is working well. Or after checking this, you can go to settings app, go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting from your VPN, you just have to go back from here, go to software update. You can also try to update your software. So after updating software, just go back. And here, if you're using Apple Developer app, so you can go to App Store here, simply search for Apple Dev or Apple Developer, and you can update your app here. You have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your app. If you find this, try to update your app, or if you're using websites, you can open your settings app again, and here in your settings, just scroll down and look for apps section. Scroll down again, look for Safari browser here. In my case, I'm using Safari, so I'm opening Safari browser. Here you just have to select clear history and website data, then select clear history. Let's select all history, then tap on clear history. So it will clear all the history and all the website data. So sometimes your website data might include bugs or junks file. So it will be fixed in this app. After doing this, you have to simply open your browser, and here you can easily log in with your Apple developer account without an issue. Thank you very much for watching the video, and the next video. Bye bye.